Hi there, I'm Tracy Logan with the High Park Real Estate Group, and I am thrilled to introduce you to our new property at 201 Dunn Avenue. This top to bottom redesigned home is in the heart of Parkdale's vibrant and creative community and is just steps from some of Queen West's best cafes and restaurants. The home itself is a true architectural masterwork. As you approach the lovingly restored Victorian exterior of the home, you are taken by the multi-layered perennial garden and the grand but unassuming size of the home. Moving to the interior, you are charmed and surprised by the seamless transformation into a modern Scandinavian retreat. With its wide plank oak flooring, lime-washed brick walls, reclaimed wood-burning fireplace, and countless other thoughtful details, the home draws you in and surrounds you with authenticity and warmth. We love the proportions and scale of the main floor. With its soaring ceilings and wide footplate, there is ample room for both entertaining large gatherings and day-to-day family living. A rear addition was made allowing for a wide open in-out transition from kitchen to the extensive backyard gardens. A basement underpinning allows for large games and movie room on top of polished, radiant, heated slab floors. The second floor offers the original take on the family routine with in-house design for the children's rooms and open den with its massive double-pitched roof. The master bedroom and ensuite offers a spa-like retreat with a double shower stall lit by skylight and radiant heated throughout the designer tiling. We are so excited to share this house with you, and we truly feel that a home like this comes around once in a lifetime. Enjoy. The light in this house is just incredible. I love that the windows and gardens keep you connected with the changing seasons. Fully operable bifold doors unfurl us into the garden oasis where we can enjoy the fruits of our labor in the kitchen, made with the full suite of gorgeous Gaggenau appliances. Kids can play in the yard while adults and family break bread. A large electric sliding gate seals off 2 hidden parking spots and roaming pets, and completes the private and exclusive backyard of this home that we feel is so special. Thank you for joining us on our tour of 201 Dunn Avenue. If you have any questions or would like to arrange for a private showing, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.